Okay, right. So now I'm going to discuss about that fortnight examination paper. You have done your part. I just really wanted to do for Shaheen, but Shaheen is the fortnight examination paper. Right, that which held on. Okay, your first question. The question is with you, all right? I have given the set of the question. Okay, so benzene, right? Reacting with the first type with Cl, C, CH3, hydrogen, CH2, CH3, anhydrous, aluminium fluoride. Next, my mute, not right. Can you hear me? Okay, so next is the chlorine. Presence of again the anhydrous chloride. Okay, and third is um, okay, CH3, CO, Cl, anhydrous aluminium chloride. Okay, so I have given what A, B, C. Okay, right? So you have to find what is the question is what are the products, and can you say what is the you have the each type of the reaction we have the name, right? So the what is the type of reaction that I asked is you have to give the common type of the reaction, not the name of the reaction, right? What is the name of the reaction for A? Yes, Zain. What is the name of the reaction for A? Yes. Friedel Crafts alkylation.
Like the two ups.
No. I asked such kind of the question. I'm just telling the name of the reaction.
Electroviolet
This is
substitution
yeah. That is the that is the answer. I'm just writing the name of the reaction now, just to identify the what is the reaction. And this is what the halogenation. I think who Shaheen wrote like this. That is wrong, right? This is what is that is the name of the reaction. This is Crafts acylation. Right, this is what is the name of the reaction. If you once you look, you can find the reaction and write. So let's me write the product and the mechanism one by one. Before that, what is the type of the reaction that I have been asked you all? The type of the reaction is, yes, we have studied, that is the electrophilic substitution reaction. So when you speak about the electrophilic substitution, yes, Mr. Shaheen, if I ask what type of the reaction, you have to mention either it's a electrophilic substitution, electrophilic addition, nucleophilic substitution, or nucleophilic addition, and what are other types? Elimination, oxidation, you have to mention like that. You can't give the name of the reaction. I don't know, one of them has written the name of the reaction, that is wrong. So that is what is the electrophilic substitution reaction. You have to give like that. So this would be the answer for the second. So let's rewrite the product's name one by one. What should be the A? Yes, Shaheen. Yes. What is this? Electrophilic substitution. So that should be electrophile. So, yeah, sorry. Right. When you take the benzene react with this compound, what is your electrophile? Yes? This group is your electrophile. Simply you can write this is as what? C plus CH2CH3 HCH3. This is what the electrophilic substitution reaction. Right? This is your E plus. So what is going to do is you have to add this E plus to here. That's all. Your benzene. That is your answer. So let's see right. Right? So what should be the answer? Draw the benzene. Right? Carbon. So always the carbon, the bond should be written very clear form. And this is CH3. This is CH2, CH3. And this is hydrogen. This is the answer for A. What is this reaction? Friedel-Crafts alkylation. So next one is I have given the halogenation. So what should be substituted? Yes? When you use that anhydrous ferric chloride, what is the answer? Here Cl plus should be substituted. Cl.
HCl3 plus HCl.
Not HCl, that is just a Cl. Yes, sir.
Okay.
Oh, yeah, this is Cl2. Did I wrote as a HCl? No. Halogenation is a Cl2, right?
No, madam. In the above one,
Yes.
A part sub.
A part plus HCl. Actually, okay, yeah. The reaction that you have written, but what I mention is the major product. If you write this is, that is enough. This is the expected answer, the major answer.
Okay.
Right? Okay. And next, this is Friedel-Crafts acylation. So what is happening? Your benzene is there. Right? The Cl part will go. So you have to write like this. O is here, CH3 here. Yeah, Shaheen, you are the person wrote like this. I can remember one molecule is like that. Benzene. Oh, sorry. Benzene is there, right? COCH3. You wrote, you maybe one of not Shaheen. I don't know whether for this answer or whether another answer, but you wrote the answer like this. That is wrong. Acylation is like this.
Madam, you should not write
Sorry, I couldn't hear.
like this, madam. Because he copied my one and my one you have to correct.
Yusuf sent. Yeah, he sent. I want to check his number, Mark, but he didn't copy fully. He said he just tried. He said like that. Okay, doesn't matter. He didn't copy fully. I have seen. You have done everything. Look, we
I
just
didn't copy. I said it last.
you just sent the few answers. Your line is not clear.
I said no. That's right.
Okay. Very poor connection, Mr. Zain Ukasha. Couldn't hear you. Okay, so did you all understand the reaction and product? Shahim, I need answer from you. Did you understand?
Oh, yes.
You wrote like this. Is it so?
Hmm.
One or two answer is right there. So please write the answer or the video is there or take a screenshot, whatever, and please do the correction in proper way. Right? And so today we can complete the first part question and I will conclude the class. Second question. We have the mechanism, so we will do the mechanism one by one, then finish the class. Yeah. I have the what is the type of the reaction. Next one is the what are the characteristic of memory. Okay, we'll see. Okay. So write the reaction mechanism for Bow reaction. So let's we take the A part. It's a Pradal-Kraft alkylation. So whenever they ask the reaction mechanism, you have to write the all reaction, not just the reaction. So actually what is happening? What is your product is? The benzene is right reacted with Cl, C, CH3, hydrogen, CH2, CH3 in presence of anhydrous aluminium chloride. Right? So your answer we already found that should be the answer. So what should be the first step? So first step, yes, I have seen Zain done. When we ask the reaction mechanism, even the first reaction, how it started. First, the aluminium chloride is reacting with what? Yes, this alkyl halide. That product only will attack your benzene. You have to perform the mechanism like that. You can't do just a manner. So what is happening? Your CCl, CH3.
I'm not telling my one wrong or right.
Right, okay. For me, it's writing reaction, drawing reaction, both are similar. Okay, write the reaction. Okay, right, okay.
So
Fine. When it's react with the aluminium
for
chloride.
me, drawing only easy.
Drawing is easy. So when you speak about the benzene, I used to say that is draw, right? The word is like that. And we are using the arrow and everything, so this is seems to be draw. So what is the actual word is writing the reaction mechanism. Okay. So the first reaction take place what? Between your alkyl halide and the aluminium chloride. Seriously, your line is really low. I could not understand. What did you say, Zain? Okay, so first what will be happen? Your alkyl halide react with the aluminium chloride. Can you type and send me? Right? This reaction is the reversible reaction. What is happening? That first will form the carbocation C plus. Right? It will remove the aluminium chloride and it will be as like this AlCl4. And now you can write CH3, hydrogen, CH2, CH3. Then now the benzene is reacting with carbocation. Right? CH to CH2. The negative will attach your positive. Now you will have what? right? Aranium ion. Why? This bond is cleaved. So you already have the hydrogen here and the rest part is combined with your carbocation. Hydrogen. So this is what your aranium ion, I'm sorry, not this. Right? Your uranium ion. So you will have the positive charge here. Now it will happen the resonance stabilization by having this aluminium chloride. Right? This will attract by your orbit and it will form. So now you will end up with the reaction. Space is not enough. Okay, you will end up the reaction this bond with aluminium chloride plus HCl. Are you clear? Are you clear? Shahid, each step is important. Each step is important. That's why I asked you all to write the mechanism separately. Did you try? You haven't tried, right? I said, that's why if you write, you never made this mistake. When I ask you all to write the mechanism, you should write all steps because I have given those mechanisms, right? I mentioned that it as a mechanism, this is what's happening. So we have to write each step, just writing only this benzene reacting with this carbocation, then who will say how this carbocation appears? It's just came. Now write this carbo alkyl group, when it's react with the aluminium chloride, then it results the carbocation. After that only this carbocation will react with your benzene. So there is the step. The steps are very important. And all mechanism is given in your notes. Even though correction also you all, not you all, the Shaheen made the same fault. Why? The answers are there. Why can't you look and write in a correct way? What is the reason? It's a pointless, just I'm giving again. You understood? It seems to be similar for the three reactions. All reactions was given. I don't want to repeat it again. I will share and show you the answer. We have the benzene slide, right? So did you understand, Shahid? Did you understand?
Yes.
So did you understand what was the fault you made? This is what I need to know. So actually the question is simply given. The question is a benzene. Okay, so okay, I'll stop sharing. Yes. We need to take the benzene, right? Okay, we have studied the Friedel-Crafts alkylation. Under Friedel-Crafts alkylation, right, I said what should be the first step? The first step is happening, right? Your alkyl halide reacting with your aluminium chloride, forming what? The cation with base, right? Okay, then later what is happening? That cation is reacting with your benzene, forming is uranium ion. Now this uranium ion, you have that base is abstracted your hydrogen, then due to the resonance stabilization, you will end up with the substitution of the alkyl group, not Cl. This is the answer. This is what the answer I expect. And next question is based on what? The Friedel-Crafts acylation. Simply you can say what has happened. Right? The early your acyl compound reacting with your aluminium chloride forming what? This acylium ion. Then this acyl ion react with the benzene, giving the aranium ion. After that, same reaction mechanism. Simply you can say that is a very simple and the same reaction mechanism. You can see here, right? So what was happened here is you have the first step, your acyl compound reacting with your Lewis acid and forming this complex ion. Finally, you will end up with the acyl ion, right? With base, right? So this acyl ion now react with the benzene. This is your first step. This is the second step. Reacting with your acyl ion and giving the aranium ion. And we know that is a stable one. Now this bases react with your hydrogen, abstract your hydrogen. Due to the resonance stabilization, you will get the acyl benzene. Steps. This is your final step, third step. And each and everything is clearly given. Why can't you look and write here? The same fault again and again you made means what? It's really hardful to see, even though, right? Why? You sincerely done the correction, okay? Why I gave it like that, at least you have to write and familiar with that mechanism by looking to me. Again, I ask you all to do the correction. So correction also making a same fault means it's really upset. Did you understand, Shahid? Are you clear? The good thing is what Mr. Zain Ukasha done is he simply copied everything and just write. And my thing, what I want to know is what is the steps is happening. They all steps having the same connection. I don't know, haven't you seen? So look at your halogenation. What is happening? First your chlorine react with your Lewis acid, forming same like that complex. Directly that complex is attacking your Cl. This complex positive charge will cleave. Again you end up with what? The aranium ion. That aranium ion again stabilized by who? The base, and finally you will end up with the answer. All are electrophilic substitution. Right? What are the activated species here? Cl plus. Okay? So that is very important. Okay? Here Cl minus. Okay? Your previous one is okay, your acyl ion is what? RCO plus. RCO plus, right? Acyl ion. And your alkylation is RH. This is the what you need to understand. Did you all understand? Are you clear now, child? Now just now start to do this the question one correction and finish and keep. Please send me. I want to check it. Can you do and send me? Definitely. I need these all steps. I need these all steps. What I expected, right? So today, if you have time, okay, hereafter you are free, right? No classes. I also taken early. Take the time and do, right? So I need only you just write. I'm not asking. The question number 1. Do the correction of the question number 1. That is even though 10 to 15 minutes is enough, right? And along the same time, Zain, right? What you all want to do is complete the short note part, the mechanism, reaction mechanism, write it separately. And
Just empty no, madam.
You didn't write the reaction mechanism. You wrote only the reaction. And what I told you, Zain, is
You would ask the reaction mechanism. Madam.
Ade, appa, mechanism is different word. The reaction is a different word, man. What such kind of the question you're asking? My goodness. Right? Okay. So I said better to convert. Do like this. When you take the alcohol, write like this. Sorry. Alcohol means ROH. Right? Write the reaction like this. Construct the flow diagram like this. Don't write like a sentence. That again it's a notes, right? So once you look, this is you. It's clearly visible the reagent and everything. If you write the reaction again, I don't think. But you have done the part. Just keep aside. Inshallah, I will do the reaction again. Inshallah, this weekend. Give me the time. Inshallah, I will send you. I have done up to benzene. Sorry, alkyl halide. I have to do alcohol. I will send the alcohol and phenol within this week. And rest part I have but aldehyde, ketone. That is also I can say. Right? Okay. So please write the reaction and write the mechanism separately. So actually the mechanism we are talking under alcohol. Those things, okay. Benzene, then and there, not everywhere. Aldehyde, ketone, we didn't speak about the mechanism. Did you all notice that one? We didn't speak, just a reaction. 1 or 2 should be there. So let's see, right? Inshallah, guys, okay? Please study, do the work, please do the correction. Now it's in, send me the answer. As it is, I know Shaheen, Zain was done. Shaheen, do that part, okay? Anyhow, guys, okay. And meet tomorrow at 9:45 to 11:50. Okay, so hopefully we can complete the fortnight examination paper. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Take care, guys. Bye-bye.
وعليكم السلام ورحمة الله وبركاته.
Tomorrow class is there. Be on the line. Bye.